What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to remove background noise in Descript. Before we start, we have the link to Descript so you can enjoy these services right after this video. To begin, go over to your Descript dashboard and this is what you'll find. You could drag and drop a file right here and ask it to do something with it. In this case, we'd like to ask it to remove the background noise. So let's go ahead and get our file and drop it right here. So we have our file and just dragging it and dropping it right here. You can see the blue highlights, which means you could actually let it go. The name of our file is Summer Day and we just made a recording while the fan was on. The bright blue sky makes the day beautiful and we love going out on a summer day. And so that is a background noise as a sample. And so right here, we're going to describe what we wanted to do. We're just simply going to say, remove the background noise. So we have our file and we have our prompt, remove the background noise. So let's go ahead and click on get started. And you can see it's currently uploading the file with the prompt, of course. And it says, I'll add your audio file to the script and then apply Studio Sound to remove the background noise. So you can see that it's quite simple just by providing your desired prompt, and Underlord on Descript will start the processing. So we're going to wait a few moments for this to happen. So Descript provides some details about its processes, and here it says done. I've applied Studio Sound to clean up your audio and remove background noise, just as we asked it to do right here. So here is a transcript of what we said. The bright blue sky makes the day beautiful and we love going out on a summer day. Now I would like to play the sound for you to hear to see the before and after. So here's the before. The bright blue sky makes the day beautiful and we love going out on a summer day. And now the bright blue sky makes the day beautiful and we love going out on a summer day. Great, so that's the difference, and I hope you could discern the difference. Maybe you want to use your headphones in order to listen to the difference. If you're listening to your recording in a loudspeaker, you might not get the background sound, but if you're paying attention with your headphones, you will hear the before and the after. So this is how to remove background noise in Descript. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get a head start on Descript. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.